In the village of Irumole, where the sun rose like a golden crown and the river...
There lived a great chief called Obadele, wise, gray-bearded, and respected by kings and hunters alike. He had 3 sons: Kofi, the eldest, proud and bold; Jabari, strong and fiery; and Namdi, clever but stubborn. The chief saw strength in their hearts, but also division in their spirits. They quarreled like fire and wind. When one said yes, the other said no. When one built, the other broke. They wrestled over hunting routes. They argued over shadows. Even the village drum couldn't unite their dance. 3 sons, yet I see 3 paths. How can a house stand if its pillars lean away from each other? But the sons would laugh. I can stand alone. I am as strong as the lion. I bend to no man. I am the storm. I need no brother. My mind is enough. The time came for Kofi to take a bride. Her name was Adana, gentle as a dove, yet wise as the moon. The village prepared the celebration. Let the brothers build the house, for in unity the home is strong. But Kofi waved them off. I need no help. I will build alone to prove I am a man. So he built alone. The walls were tall, but unsteady. The roof rose, but cracked. He lifted stones, but wore himself thin. And then the storm came. The wind tore the roof. The walls shivered. The house crumbled. Kofi stood soaked, broken, ashamed. By firelight, Chief Obadele summoned his sons, his eyes heavy with silence, his voice slow and deep. In his hand, he held a single dry stick. Kofi, break it. Then, he held out a bundle of 3 sticks, tied together. Now, try again. One by one, each son pulled and twisted, but the bundle would not break. It won't snap. It is too strong. Yes, because it is together. Alone, each stick is weak. Together, they become unbreakable. He turned to Kofi. You built your home with your hands, but not your heart. Marriage is not made of walls. It is made of support, of shared strength, of unity. Kofi's eyes filled with tears, not from shame, but from awakening. He turned to his brothers and said, "Help me, not to build a house, but to build a home." Together they lifted beams. Together they laughed. Together they danced. When Jabari and Namdi married, they remembered the bundle. They shared the burden. They shared the joy. And their homes stood tall, through wind, through rain, through time. Chief Obadele lived to see many grandchildren playing in homes built on unity. And every evening, by firelight, he would hold up 3 sticks and say, break one, and it snaps. Bind them, and they live forever. Moral lesson. In marriage and family, strength is not in standing alone, but standing together. A united couple is a bundle no storm can break. If you find this video interesting, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.